I bet you wish it was way easier to make a bucket load of money quickly. Yes? Like if only there was some simple magic formula for bringing in new clients to your business. Well, there is, but for some reason, so many people seem to struggle with it and can't fully wrap their heads around this. And I'm still not 100% sure of the reason why so many people struggle with it. Some people tend to get it and understand it really quickly. Other people just really can't seem to comprehend it. My guess is that it comes down to either fear, scarcity, ego, uncertainty, doubt, lack of trust, or maybe even greed. But it's like they get so focused on trying to get as much as they can, as quickly as they can, with as least effort, time, and money as they can, and yet they still keep failing with that approach, but they still keep doing it. And I've seen it happen again and again and again. Whereas the actual real secret is to narrow things down as specifically as you possibly can. So this specifically applies to your Facebook ads and your marketing approach. But then I hear, gasp, aren't I missing out on everybody else that I can help? Well, only with that one particular ad. But if that one particular ad is done well, you won't need all the other people to make the money that you want to make. You don't have to help or serve everyone you possibly can in order to have a massive impact in people's lives, or in order to make the coin you desire. But my clients are all so different. My products can help everybody. This service does so many more things than just this one thing for this one person. I've heard it so many times before, but how's it going for you still trying to promote stuff like that? It's really important to be aware of that if you're trying to speak to everybody, you're actually speaking to no one. And it's hard, but people keep doing it. So if you're open to it, try getting super specific, and then only after you're focused on one person instead of 5,000 and one thing instead of all of the things, you need to also make sure that one, you are talking to them in a way that makes them pay attention and read what you have to say. Two, make sure you're offering them something that they want, not trying to just get them to do what you want. Three, make sure the image or video you're using is attention grabbing and demonstrating the result that they want. And four, coming from a headspace of genuinely wanting to help them, empathize with them, connect with them, and meet them where they're at, not just trying to get from them. If you are keen to master this approach for yourself, this is literally what me and my team help people to do. You can check out so many results on the website. There's no denying that it works when it's done right. And I'd like to invite you to come over to wolfpackmastermind.com and have a look for yourself.